Well, we discussed it we discussed it yesterday in regards to the chiefly title, and I told them, well, you can give them the title. You have to also support them in regards to how they can carry out their leadership role out there in the community. If you just give them the title without any support, it will not be that successful. I've been visiting Kandavu during the elections. There's really a need to improve, support the chiefs who are out there for each tikina. Once they are supported, I think they should be okay. They should be able to lead their men.
What about the vacant titles, those that are still vacant nowadays?
I think we'll continue to try, and the team is there. They have to do their part. Hopefully, at one time that you will all be filled. But for me personally, the way I look at it, if you feel without the support, it'd still be the same. Now it's changing. If you go around, then it's the one who has got something with him that will talk, then the people will follow. That's how I look at it. The chiefly title is there, which is good.